skip work, baby. Take a little trip with me today. It's summertime and I wanna know if you wanna go out to the country, lay out on the beach till it gets late. We'll take our time, there's no place to go. Summertime and the mood is right. Out in the ocean in the middle of the night, out in behind the waterfall. We can do it all in the summertime and the mood is right. And if you wanna, we can go for a ride.
So we are here, we've made it to Kitekite Waterfalls. Well, I don't know. So this is the map.
Never thought I'd find a lady who put up with my wild and crazy, but I'm so proud that I found you. Yeah, like the breeze in the sun, it's shining. I believe it's the perfect timing that we could meet and spark love so soon. Summertime and the mood is right. Out in the ocean in the middle of the night, hiding behind the waterfall. We can do it all in the summertime and the mood is right. And if you wanna, we can go for a ride while I play your favorite song. We can do it all. We can do it all. We can do it all. Yeah.
That's
Wait.
the Buyer's Walk to the falls via Buyer's Walk. So we'll go that way.
Yeah.
Night
we have
shift.
owls in New Zealand.
Are you serious?
Young
What school did you go to?
Kelston.
No, seriously, what school did you go to? Tell me, tell the people.
It's confidential.
She went to Henderson High.
While I play your favorite song, we can do it all. We can do it all. We can do it all. Yeah, we can do it all. Do it all. We can do it all. We can do it all. We can do it all. Yeah, we can do it all. I spent my last ounce of hope. I got nothing to show for a while now. But if you throw me a rope, I might be able to cope with you down now.
How's the you? Seki? My face red.
The frick is this so long?
Anyways, let's go.
Oh, someone to be around. Oh, someone to be around, yeah. When my legs start to shiver, my soul starts to quiver, I think of the last time you spoke to me. You said everything has a meaning. Oh, everything happens for a reason. But when someone's alone, the words are nested wrong, and I just long for someone to be around. Whoa, for someone to be
I'm gonna go down there.
but choose not to show it. I hope I'm able to work it out. For now I will struggle with all of my troubles, cause I need someone to be around. Oh, someone to be around.
Because of the thing. Oh, just keep moving. Thank you.
We would have been on your video.
Oh wow.
Someone to be around. Someone to be around. Someone to be around.
We just got done off the walk. It was a good walk for me. I liked it. Oh shit. Yeah, so we're on our way home now. We're on our way home now. Yeah, nice walk. If you guys are ever out in West Auckland, Piha ways, make sure to check out the waterfalls. 10 out of 10, recommend. But maybe not at this time because it's packed to the brim with people. How was the walk for you? Huh? How was the walk for you?
Again, Lord, June one time, cause you pass go okay. Give me sorry, but you never come back and me never hear from you. But me always take a stroll to our coconut tree. Lost me.